Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and disregard the pop-up right here and select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up till we have either recovery mode visible or this disappears. So there we go. Now, as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Here we have a couple options like restart, which takes us back to our system, clear data, which consists of factory resetting and also wiping cache partition, update mode and save mode. So anyway, I'm going to select restart just so I can leave this mode. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.